Hello YouTube, I'm Afridi from DiGi and I'm back with another video. In this video, I'm gonna do a magic video, but that's gonna be with iMovie. So I know you guys will be happy because you wanted me to do iMovie, but the situation is not good because there are no lights. So yeah, now I'm good. So we're gonna talk about this for a while. So the real question is, why do I want to use iMovie? Then what is the fake question? No, but we're just gonna be talking about the real question. Many iOS users use only iMovie. They do not want to use CapCut or KineMaster. So iMovie is their favorite. So it's your day, it's your day. But what is the video about? How does it look? Is it useful or is it not? It's not. I'm gonna tell this to you because the tutorials I've been making is much difficult than this, because this is just a simple crop, not a crop, trimming feature. Just trim it here and connect it with the other one, and there you go, you have it. But idea, there is lack of idea. You guys are not so creative, and because your teacher is not creative. Yeah, so I'm gonna do this just to teach you another way of how to use that simple trick and how you can apply it in some other places. But yeah, okay, so let's do this because I'm gonna waste your time more and more. There are a few things that you do not have at certain times, but they can be with you. Like this. But they can also disappear. Why is that? And they can, come directly in your hand. And that's like... Anyways, this is not a useful thing as a tissue paper, but you're gonna use this somewhere else. Yeah, man. Now we're gonna see the original video, and it's really awful to see the original video because the finished video looks really good, but the original footage looks like you are a kid and don't know what you're doing. So just hold the tissue and slowly keep it down, and then hold the hand like that and act like it happened. But you always know that is fake. It's never gonna happen like this. So then do like this and put the object again and repeat the same action. And yeah, we're done with this. So act as if you're really confident because you don't want people to know that there is some mistake in the video. So now let's go and do this. Okay, so open iMovie and then wait and click on the plus icon and then create a movie and select the video. Okay, so now that we have this on the timeline, yeah, now we have this. So go to the part where we're gonna do the magic. So first of all, we're gonna take it from nowhere, the tissue paper. So select a spot when you're reaching the full power. Split it and then select the spot where you're taking your hand back. So when we play this and see, yeah, it's like very smooth. Now we'll go to the next spot where it disappears. So as soon as you are waiting for it to disappear, split it there and then go to another place where it's not there. Okay, so split it and delete the part in the middle. Now click on the transition icon and choose dissolve and choose 0.5 seconds. So when you play this, it goes really quick and it's really smooth. So now we can move on to the last part, and that is the part when it comes back. So split it here and then split it in the second part where it's already in your hand, and yeah, right about here, split it and delete. And now watch it if there is mistake. Yeah, there is a little bit. You can just click on the first one and maybe extend it a little bit, and the second one should be decreased. So I think this one is much better. Yeah, so this is all you have to do. So there is a very big question, and that is, was this really useful for you? If it was, then comment yes. If you want me to make more videos like this, then tell me because I'm waiting for you guys. I want to know what you want to tell me. And if you want to follow me, then follow me. I look like this from behind. No, not this. Follow me on Instagram. That's Aftab_Afridi, and yeah, that's my Instagram. And if you like this video, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more videos like this. Peace out.